guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and thank you for stopping by P.s. by HannahMarie, a plain and simple place to talk all things clean beauty and lifestyle. Today we are talking about the Petit Vour subscription box. This is the July box, and so I'm just going to do a little unboxing and showing you the products, talking a little bit about Petit Vour, the brand, and yeah, I'm super excited. Let's get started. So if you haven't heard of Petit Vour before, which is kind of hard to say, Petit Vour before. If you haven't heard of the company before, they're an online store that's cruelty-free, non-toxic, and vegan. They have a wide variety of products and brands, which I really appreciate and like. They're one of the #1 stores that I shop from. So besides the fact that they have really awesome brands and incredible products, I love their rewards system. So you do not have to be subscribed to the subscription box to be a part of the reward system. What works is there's reward points that you make on each purchase, and you get 20% back in rewards points from those purchases to use at a later time, whatever. So it's really great because you add up points super quickly. Okay, so now let's start talking about the subscription box. You get at least one full-size product, and then you get like deluxe or travel size or samples of other products, and normally there's, I think, at least 4 products in a box. It is a minimum of $15 per month, and that just depends on which plan you choose. The value of these boxes are anywhere from $45 to $60. And so right here I can tell you the full-size product in this box is worth $32. Alright, so now let's get started with what's actually included in the July Petit Vour Beauty subscription box. First up, we have the Little Barn Apothecary Aloe plus Rose Water Balancing Mist. Hello. So cute. It's like this little adorable spray bottle. If you follow me on Instagram, and I'll leave my Instagram handle below, but I love rose water. I love rose water toners, mists. They're just so refreshing and they smell amazing, and I'm not normally one to like a lot of florally scents, but I love rose water, and it's so soothing and healing to the skin as well. So I'm really excited about this. This also has aloe, and aloe is incredible for the skin as well, and it's a humectant, so it's going to really be hydrating and moisturizing for the skin. And they're organic and sustainably wild harvested. So let's... Oh my goodness, that smells so good. Alright, next we have another skincare product, which is the Ursa Major 4-in-1 Essential Face Wipes. It's a 5-pack. They're individually wrapped, and they're made with aloe, bamboo, and green tea. Yeah, oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So I've been wanting to try Ursa Major for a while now. I've heard so many great things about their brand, so I'm pretty thrilled that they were included in this month's box. So it says, refresh and revitalize. Use these individually wrapped 4-in-1 face wipes. They clean, exfoliate, soothe, and hydrate. Anytime to reboot dull, tired, or oily skin. Perfect for sprucing up at the office, after a ride, or when you're on the road. 0 suspect chemicals and 30 naturally derived ingredients. They're made in the USA, so I'm really excited to try these. Alright, this is the full-size product, and this is by Osea. This is the Essential Hydrating Oil, and it comes in this really pretty frosted glass. I love all of Osea's packaging. I've tried many of their products, and I love their products. So I have not tried this one before, so I'm looking forward to try it. It has a really nice little roller ball applicator, which I appreciate because it's very cooling for the skin. It smells really nice. I don't know how to describe it. I'm quite sensitive to smells, especially because of my health, but this isn't too bad. It kind of has a little bit of a road citrusy scent, but there's some other notes and I don't know how to describe it, but it is quite nice. It's not too overpowering. I definitely will have to try it like all over my face to see, but I think it's very calming actually. I don't know if I'm going to be able to finish taping this video. This is supposed to really visibly reduce fine lines, wrinkles, to help hydrate and plump the skin. So I'm pretty excited to be trying this, and it's such a great value. Like, just this alone makes the box an incredible value. Last but not least, we have a makeup product, and this is by Lila B Beauty, and you get 3 really pretty colors of their Divine Duo Lip and Cheek. So the 3 colors are Be Real, Be Fearless, Be Sassy, and basically these were formulated to be long wearing yet creamy and moisturizing. So I kind of think we should swatch them. I think that would be fun. They look like really fun, bright colors for summer. So this is kind of what they look like, and honestly you do really get a good amount of product in here. Like, this will last you a long time, especially if they're really pigmented. So let's find out. What I'll do is I'll swatch them all on my hand and then maybe try like 1 or 2 on my lips and cheeks. They're super creamy, like buttery soft. So this one is Be Real. And next we have Be Fearless, which is this really bright looking red, like kind of like a cherry red. Ooh. Wow, these are like super buttery. Oh, look at how pigmented. These feel really nice. I can't wait to try them on my lips. Okay, next we have Be Sassy, which is like this really bright, kind of like a Barbie pink. Whoa! Okay, these remind me of like a really buttery, smooth, easy to work with. Oh my goodness! Look at how pigmented that is! Oh! Wow, I am blown away. Yeah, anyways, this reminds me of like a frosting almost. Like, oh, I want to like try all of them now. Maybe I'll do like a lipstick swatching video of these or something and try them all on for you. For now though, I'm gonna use maybe the pink one. Okay, I'm gonna be sassy and I'm gonna go with Be Sassy. Okay, this is like a super bright, like Barbie pink. So they're quite buildable as well. Yeah, they just feel really nice. My hands are all messy, but that's okay. So this is Be Sassy. Yeah, this is a really fun pink color, and I'm gonna put a little bit on my cheeks too, see how that goes. I feel like I might go overboard, but let's try. I'm gonna just kind of get it on my finger a little bit, not too much. I'm impressed and I really like these. These are so fun and so pretty. Like, they literally just like glide and melt onto your skin. And it almost looks maybe satiny because it's kind of matte but not completely. But feels very like, feels very nice on the skin, not drying at all. Okay, so I have my Ursa Major wipe here that comes in the kit, And I'm gonna just see how well it works. What? Look at that. Okay, guys. I'm really impressed with all of these products. That cleaned my hand off so well, and these are so pigmented. I'm very, very happy with this box, and I'm so excited to be using these products. If you are interested in subscribing to the Petit Vour box, I have a link below. You can sign up, or if you just want to get more information, and feel free to comment below, or you could head over to my Instagram and send me a DM. I definitely want to help in any way I can to answer any questions. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I think it's really fun to do the little unboxings and kind of first impressions of the products as well. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye!